A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your maths class. As these days we are doing shapes in mathematics, so let's recognize and match the shapes. As I have written the names of shapes here, we discussed in the previous video the shapes which we can hold, the shapes which are solid objects are known as 3D shapes. And there are few examples of 3D shapes. The first one is CUBE cube. The second one is CUBOID cuboid. The third one is SPHERE sphere. The fourth one is CYLINDER cylinder. And the fifth one is CONE cone. Let's see, on the right hand side of the board I have drawn few shapes. So what we are going to do today, it's quite fun. We will be matching them with their names. And one more thing, students, what you need to do is, using the different craft papers, chart papers, you need to draw these shapes also. What you will be doing? You will be drawing and cutting these shapes also. So let's begin. CUBE cube is quite similar to square in which all sides are equal. Can we say in this shape all sides are equal? Or is shape mein to there are no sides even. Look at this shape. It seems to be like a square or not? It seems to be like a square. So we will be matching this cube with this cube. Alright. Cuboid is kind of rectangle. So where does you find a rectangle? Yes, it is the first one. So we are going to match the cuboid with this first one. It seems to be like a rectangle. Solid rectangular shape is known as cuboid. Third one, sphere. The best example I gave you of sphere was round hai, circle ki jaisi hai, that can be holded, ball, or we can say our earth is also a sphere. So we will be matching sphere with this round shape. Alright. Understanding these? The next one is cylinder. Cylinder, as you must be aware of the name, हम घर पे भी देखते हैं गैस सिलेंडर, जिससे हम LPG गैस यूज़ करके खाना बनाते हैं कुक स्टोव पे अपने. तो that cylinder is also of this shape. Even this marker is also of cylinder shape. अगर हम नीचे के point को इस red tip को ना देखें, this white area, this white portion is also a cylinder. And what about this red one? It is a cone. So here I am matching this cylinder with this shape, and cone, which is left, cone will be matched with this one. So this is a cone. Got it? Cuboid. And then I have matched, the first shape is of a cuboid, the second shape is of sphere, the third shape is of cube, the fourth shape is of cone, and the fifth shape is of cylinder. So these are the shapes which I have matched with them. Now let me tell you one example of each shape. Let's talk about cuboid. Cuboid example is anything which has 3 dimensions but they are not same. If I talk about my duster, this is also a cuboid. If I talk about your eraser, this is also a cuboid. And then the example of sphere is ball, earth. The example of cube, the best example of cube which has all sides equal is dice. And then cones example, we have discussed birthday cap, ice cream cone, they are the examples. And the fifth one, cylinder. There are the examples of cylinder. As I told you, it can be anything round. Just I gave you the example that this marker is also a cylinder. Earlier I show you few cylindrical shapes. Even if I talk about this, the body of this pen, this is also the shape of a cylinder. So I hope you are clear with these shapes, and you can do the rest of the work which I have mentioned. That you need to draw these shapes beautifully using the colored chart papers and paste them in your notebook. Write their names also. Alright students, have a good day and do practice these shapes in your books also. The pages which are given there, you need to fill those pages also. You need to do this matching in your book as well. Alright students, take care, have a good day.